Hey, TerraceScope explorers, buck up, or should I say paid up, for a wide ride from Changsha's city bus to the green paradise of Matan Mountain. But wait, what secrets are hiding in this hill? Can an old quarry really turn into a lush wonderland? Let's hit the road and find out. Can you dodge Changsha's traffic and still look cool on a bike? We are in downtown Changsha, where I meet my buddy Spartacus. Yep, the guy who swears he's a navigation pro, but gets lost anyway.
Nice.
I boast, reach Matan Mountain, and rice noodles are on me. Spartacus smirks.
Don't brag it, that slope's gonna make you cry.
Bike's polished, spirits high, we are off on a 50 kilometers quest. Cool? Maybe. Lost? Almost. But the thrill is just starting, with the Xiangluzhou River calling us forward. What happens when city chaos fades into river magic? Pedaling along Xiaoxiang North Road, skyscrapers shrink, and the Xiangluzhou River's breeze tickles our faces. Spartacus nearly crashes into a scooter classic. The urban hum quiet, and we are itching for what next. Pure magic. The river sparkle hints at the winter, waiting on Xiangluzhou Bridge. Can you conquer a fiery red spiral path without turning into a cycling clown? Wow, this red plastic path looks like a fiery dragon spiraling upwards. We were on the non-motorized bike lane on the west side of Xiangluzhou Bridge, pedaling our bikes upwards. The road was so smooth, as if it was tailor-made for cyclists. But these sharp turns, they really tested my skills. I have to admit, a few times I almost crashed, and my friend even laughed at me.
It is road bike for dancing.
Ha! This red spiral path is not only beautiful, but is also part of the bridge's ecological design, specifically created for walking and cycling, bring us closer to the tranquility of the Xiangluzhou River. Finally, we reached the bridge deck. The river wind hit us in the face, and the Xiangluzhou River shone beneath our feet. This feeling is so worth it. Next, the real adventure on the bridge begins. From a distance, you can see the word Xiangluzhou Bridge towering on the high tower. This is said to be the largest span and tallest single tower cable-stayed bridge on the Xiangluzhou River. It truly catches your eye. Can you believe a bridge this epic could also be a superhero for porpoises? Buck up for a drone-fueled ride over Xiangluzhou Bridge. How does it save wildlife and spark a city's glow up? Let's soar and find out. We are on Xiangluzhou Bridge. Wind so wild, I'm half expecting to fly like a kite. Our drone zooms up, revealing a silver dragon stretching 2.8 kilometers across the Xiangluzhou River. Its 202 meters pylon piercing the sky and 300 meters main span, screaming engineering legend. But here's the kicker. Below us, the river is home to 66 species, including the adorable finless porpoise, a national treasure. How do you build a beast like this without messing up their home? Check out this construction clip. Back in 2021, builders faced a nightmare, pylons in the river's heart, with a thin riverbed that like drilling through wet tissue. They whipped out a genius steel platform and anchor system, sinking a 2,000-ton steel cauldron with just a 2.8 centimeter wobble, precision that would make a surgeon jealous. Low noise gear kept the fish happy, and mud purification tech stopped the river from turning into chocolate syrup. The result? When this $700 million bridge opened in July 2024, purpose numbers actually grew. Talk about an eco-win. But wait, there's more. This bridge isn't just a pretty face. It's the golden bond linking Wangchang's Daze Lake and the Yangtze Wan Street. Before it, locals were stuck dreaming across the Xiangluzhou River, ferries or bust. From the 2010s, planners battled floods and even a pandemic to make it happen. By 2021, China's top construction crew rolled in, pouring concrete for 41 sleepless hours to seal the deal. Now, Wangchang's economy is soaring, tourists are flocking, and the locals are tearing up, saying, "Man, how it's transformed." Oh, and the name, Xiangluzhou, comes from an ancient island in the river, once shrouded in misty incense vibes. Think Lord of the Rings meets Hunan folklore. Still, riding here is no joke. Feel that sway? The wind is rocking this bridge like it's got a dance floor. Spartacus is yelling,
Hold on! Oh, your album!
"Ha! It's thrilling, but it's also a wipe check. City chaos behind us, nature's calm ahead. This bridge isn't just a path, it's a time machine to Wangchang's future." We are not just cyclists, we are witnesses to a story where curiosity meets eco-magic. Ready for Mantan's secrets just 7 kilometers away? Let's roll. After cycling for 2 consecutive hours, the slope of Matan Mountain nearly killed me. Road bike? No way. But my friend's mountain bike was flying along. Who will reach the top first? Let's see.
Are you okay, road bike? More like a road blow.
My road bike is great for speed, but these steep inclines, not his wife. My friend's mountain bike, though, those gears are cheating. Halfway up, my legs said, nope. So I'm pushing my bike, feeling every one of those 2 hours. Spartacus yells,
You're almost there.
easy for him to say, he's still pedaling. Phew, we made it. Mantan summit at last. Spartacus gloating.
How do you outwin?
Yeah, his mountain bike beat my road bike. I'm gasping, but that will. What's every run? The breeze hits like a high five, and we are ready to soak in this green dream. Who's the real champ here? The mountain, obviously. Wow, here's the gentle breeze graces the face. The tree shadows dance gracefully, and the entire scene is based in lush greenery. Can a mountain this green and gorgeous really hide a scarred past? At the quarry wasteland, let's drone up and uncover the secrets of Matan Mountain. Our drone lifts off, capturing Mantan's stunning summit in all its glory. Lush layers of greenery stretching like a velvet blanket. Wild chrysanthemums dotting the slopes like a golden confetti. Golden rice fields waving below, and the Xiangjiang River winding like a silver snake in the distance. Trees sway in the breeze, birds chirp their symphony, and the autumn sun bathes everything in a warm glow. It's pure serenity up here, making every sweaty push worth it. Spartacus even doing a victory dance, yelling,
We conquered space.
But here's the twist. It wasn't always a postcard. Decades ago, Matan Mountain was a quarry wasteland, blasted to bits for its prized hemstone. leaving scars deeper than a bad breakup. Bare slopes, eroded soil, and landslide risks turning it into a dusty disaster zone. Then came the eco-heroes. Since the 2010s, Wang Zhang's restoration team shut down 180 oil resorts, hauled away debris, and rebuilt the land. They imported fertile soil, planted camphor and osmanthus trees, laid grass soils, and fixed drainage to stop erosion. Heng, a local forest ranger, joined the mission, patrolling 5,000 acres and guiding this reborn forest like a proud parent. From scars to splendor, human greed and nature's magic made mankind a green gem. Now, locals are eyeing upsides and trails here, turning this hill into a tourism gold mine with the Xiangluzhou River views. These views cleans up with care. We can hear anything. Mountain is not just a mountain; it's a testament to greed and green dreams. But before we zoom downhill, let's catch our breaths and soak in this serenity one last time. Alright, TerraceScope explorers, ready for love? Remember Spartacus, our navigation pro who swore he'd lead us flawlessly? Well, guess who took us down the wrong path? Literally. We started coasting down, high-fiving like champs, only to realize we are on a dead-end trail. Back up we go, huffing and puffing. While Spartacus, the muttering,
I meant to do that.
Classic Spartacus, boasting big, navigating, not so big. But honestly, these detours, they help the adventure, right? Come flying down here on Matan Mountain, erase all that sweaty uphill pain? Will this ride spark your own adventure vibes? Let's coast down and find out. Zooming down Mantan's slope, the wind's whistling like it's cheering us on, and every ache from that blue climb, gone, like it never happened. Spartacus yelling.
Rush you to the bottom.
I shot back. Save it for the noodle shop, buddy. I'm not playing twice. The golden rice fields blow by. The Xiangjiang River gleams like a silver ribbon, and the autumn breeze feels like a nature's high five. Down here's pure bleed, pain forgotten, colorful. This ride is not just about the pedals. It's about escaping the city, finding serenity, and boarding our sweaty laps. Where is the weekend escape? A wild hill, a windy bridge, or just a cozy noodle date with friends? Comment below and subscribe to TerraceScope for more adventures.